Hello everybody, so I'm back with another video tutorial. In this tutorial, we're explaining to you about how you can use and set up notifications in Metaverse. And first, I will name the experience as I do it every time, playing with notifications. So then I'm gonna select a character for that. I'll be choosing using the rain. Oh, that seems fine. Hey, so I'm gonna write a description for this scene. So I've written here, you always miss the latest trend on Twitter, so you wanna catch up with them real quick. I'm gonna add miss here. Okay, so I'm gonna click on add action, and I'm gonna add the action for that. I'm gonna add the description for the section. That will be okay. Show me. Now, okay, I've written okay. Show me. Now I'll go into add new. Use this bar to go down and see location. So there's location. Oh no, sorry, notifications. Okay, so now I'm gonna click on send Twitter deep link. What this will do, it will link that. This block will link the Twitter link. Okay, now I'm gonna connect these two scenes. I'm gonna change do nothing to transition to block. Click on this icon, and these will now be linked together. So I'm gonna click on this send Twitter deep link. I'll add the text. It can be anything. You can add whatever you want. It will be the text of the action or the body. Okay, I'll add. Think of something. Click here. And open Twitter. Button text. Click here. Okay, so I've written. Now I'm gonna insert the Twitter URL. Okay, that could be anything. I'll be using this top trends worldwide since I've been missing trends lately. So I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste this URL into this URL box. There we go. So if this is successful, this is gonna take me to another scene. I'm gonna click on select a scene, new scene. So I'll go back into all scenes, and this will be a character scene. So let me arrange this stuff a bit. So now I'm gonna add a deal. Great. Now you can always great. Now you can always figure out. So it says great. Now you can always figure out the latest trends. I'm gonna link this one. This first, I'm gonna click on this red icon, and I'm gonna change it to transition to scene. I'm gonna add another scene. That will be a character scene. Select scene. Okay. I'm gonna click on this icon. I'm gonna link them. So these are now linked together. Okay. I'm gonna add an action. Click on add action here, and I'm gonna write description for it. Thanks. Thanks a lot. So now there we go. Some. I'm gonna tell you how you can link the Instagram or Spotify. Either Instagram or other Spotify. But I can also use Reddit if I want. Depends on you. Whatever you want to share. So the latest 9 gag meme today. So I'm gonna click on add action button. I'm gonna add an action description for that action. Sorry, I missed that. I missed it. I'm gonna click on this red icon, change it, do nothing to transition to scene. Click on this icon. Now link all of this together. Now all these three scenes are now linked together. And I'm gonna scroll this bar a little. I'm gonna move further ahead. I'm gonna click on add new. I'm gonna click on character scene. No worries. I'll show you. So I'm gonna link these scenes together. Now I'm gonna click on this red icon, change do nothing to transition to scene. Click on this icon and these now will be linked together. I'm gonna click on add action button and I'm gonna add an action for that. That can be anything. Think of something. Yeah, show me. Okay, now I'm gonna click on this button. I'm gonna click change do nothing to transition to block. I'm gonna add a block and it will be a new block. I'll go into notifications. I'm gonna select Instagram deep link. So there we go. I'm gonna link these things together. I'm gonna change transition to block and I'm gonna link them together. I'm gonna click on this text. You can add whatever you want. I'll be adding. Let me think of something else. 9 gag. Click to see the post. Okay, now in this Instagram URL, you're gonna put an valid Instagram URL. Since I found this meme very funny, I'm gonna add this link into this. Okay, there we go. This is how you do it. I'm gonna click on add new. I'm gonna add a new. I'm gonna go back to all scenes. I'm gonna add a new character scene. So this is how you can use a character scene. I'm gonna link these scenes together now. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna click on this icon. I'm gonna link this to this. So all these five scenes are now linked together. Great. I'm sure you missed it. I'm, I'm listening to 3 Day Grace. Would you like to listen to them? To them? Yes. I'm gonna click on and go back into notification thing. I'll click on mm, send Spotify deep link. So the block is there. I'm gonna link the block now. I'm gonna click on this red icon, change do nothing to transition to block. Click on this, click on that, and all this is linked together. Great. Spotify. Open Spotify. So there we go. I don't know why it's saying Instagram URL. There must be a bug in the system. I'll report it to Metaverse. That's my concern, not yours. Okay, I'm gonna copy this link since this is the grace band link, and I'm gonna put the URL into this. Okay, now all this is linked together. Now I'm gonna go scroll down, click on this, and then click on new scene. I'm gonna click on. I'll go back into all scenes. I'll select a character scene for that. Now I'm gonna rearrange stuff a bit so this gets linked properly. Okay, now I'm gonna add. Great. Wanna see something interesting? Something cool. I'm gonna click on add action. I'm gonna add the description for that action. Yes. I'm gonna click on this. I'm gonna add a new. I'm gonna add a new character scene. Right. No. I should delete this. I should add a blog now. I'll go back into notifications. I'll click on send deep link notification, it will open. So what this does, it will open the link in another app. Of course, suppose you have a Reddit app, as I'm setting a Reddit link, that link will be opened in the Reddit app. Okay, yes, I'm gonna link these two together. I'll change do nothing to transition to block. Click on this, click on that, and these will now be linked together. Header will be red, text will be open Reddit, and oh, sorry, button text will be open Reddit, and the URL for that app would be I found this very interesting. I'm gonna copy this link. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna post this in the URL box. So now I'm gonna click on transition to scene. I'm gonna add a new character scene. After I'm gonna add something into this. Now, okay, I gotta go. I'm gonna click on add action. I'm gonna add the action. I'm gonna click on this. Change do nothing to end experience. This will end the experience. And I'm gonna click on this now. And click on this and link this together. Okay, now all these 7 scenes are linked together. This is I'm going back to check if everything is right and I haven't made any mistake. Everything seems all right. Okay. Now I'm gonna be showing you how this works on my device. For that you can click on test on device and everything will work fine. Okay, now click on test on device and there we go. So I'm on my device now. Right now I'm gonna test the notification thing I made on this. So I'm waiting for the pop-up to appear. Come on. So there it is. So you always miss the latest trend on Twitter. You wanna catch them real quick? Well, okay, show me. You can find the latest trends. Okay. Sorry, I missed it. The 9gag meme. It'll show me. All the links will appear in the end. Not to worry. Please load. Okay, so you're listening to 3-Day Grace. Would I like to listen to them? Obviously, yes. Cool, yes. He's gotta go. Now all the links will appear. Okay, there we go. There's Twitter. I'm gonna click here. And this is gonna open the Twitter link, the Twitter URL I mentioned in that block. Waiting for it to load. I don't know. Okay, there it is. The Twitter top trends worldwide. Okay, I'm gonna press the back button. I'm gonna show you the Spotify link. So there's the Spotify link here linked above. Okay, now I'm gonna either show you Reddit or 9gag. It seems better Reddit. So this is the Reddit URL. It's supposed to be loading right now. It's loading currently. I'm waiting it for the load. It's taking too much time. I don't know why. Please load, please. Okay, I'm waiting it for to load. It isn't loading. Must be something wrong with my connection. I'm gonna try Insta this time. Tada! Waiting for Instagram to load. It isn't loading. There's something wrong with my connection right now. But there are 2 other links worked, so this is working right now. So this is how you can use. You can use in set of notifications and you can then be delivered to those apps or those pages you want. So this is for today. Bye for now.